Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. The tendency of becoming Guru is there, but after all, every one of you should become Guru. But why immature attempt? That is my question. Everyone will become Guru when he is expert disciple. But why this immature attempt? Guru is not a thing, imitation. When one is mature, he becomes Guru automatically. What is the answer to this? There have been some attempt to become Guru. I am training you all to become Guru in the future. Now the Krishna consciousness movement, the properties and everything, I will not take with me. They will remain where they are. It requires a very mature treatment, but there has been some attempt to become Guru immediately. Am I correct or not? We are also acting as Guru by other God brothers, they are also doing it. But we never attempted during the lifetime of our Guru Maharaj. That is not the etiquette. That is immature attempt. And it is not the thing that by artificial attempt one becomes Guru. Guru is accepted. That is qualification. Not by artificial attempt. আমার আজ্ঞায় গুরু হইয়া, follow my order and become Guru. Not that you become Guru. আমার আজ্ঞায় গুরু হইয়া তারও এই দেশ, যারে দেখো তারে কহ কৃষ্ণ বলে। You have to follow the parampara, Christian order. That is Guru. Not that I declare myself as Guru. No, that's not Guru. Guru is he who has strictly followed the order of the spiritual life. He can become Guru, otherwise he is disqualified. artificial attraction.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.